Hey, after watching this video, you'll be able to surprise your family with a bit of magic. You're going to learn how to find the combination to their suitcase and luggage. It's actually really easy to find the code and unlock a forgotten suitcase dial lock. This trick works specifically with dial locks, where you can see gaps on the sides of the wheels. Rotate one dial at a time and look closely for a visible gap or notch. If you find that gap on your suitcase lock, you will find your forgotten password. Set the gaps for the other dials in that same direction. That won't be the correct code just yet. Now you need to move all three dials by one number at a time. Each time you move them, check to see if the suitcase opens. It doesn't matter which direction you turn them, but the most important thing is to move all three dials exactly one number at a time until lock opens. And there we go. I found my forgotten password. This trick works for any luggage or suitcase with this type of dial lock. I have used it many times. I hope this video saves you from the trouble of forgetting your code.